Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I have a very special holiday themed challenge for you. Today I am going to teach you the choreography to a basic Christmas skating program. You are going to be able to download an MP3 of this music off my Patreon and a little map that's going to show you what this program should look like. I will post a link to that Patreon where you can download it for free in the description down below. To do this program, you are going to want to have learned several different moves that I have already done tutorials on. So I will put a list of those tutorials in the description down below as well. So in case there's any moves you're not sure about, you can click one of those links and brush up on that skill. If you're ready, let's get started. Be sure to watch all the way to the end of this video for the details on how you can have your performance included in a compilation video I'll be posting to my YouTube channel the week of Christmas. I'd also love to see all your finished versions up on Instagram with the hashtag CoachJuliaChristmas so that we can cheer each other on. All right, so for my program, we are gonna start right smack in the middle of the ice, a little bit to the front. So you can see I'm right on the edge of the center curling circle. This is just a great place to start, but you can start anywhere you want as long as it's sort of central for this choreography. We're gonna start with our weight on our right foot, left toe in the ice, and you could do whatever kind of fun hand you want. I'm just gonna put my right hand up, left hand out. We're gonna hop over to the left foot, and the right toe goes in the ice. Then we're gonna hop back to the right. So we go hop toe, hop toe. All right, that's our starting. Then we're gonna step out on our left foot and do a left forward outside three turn. Three turn, push back, and from here we're gonna do a hockey glide. Now I did a tutorial that was a hockey glide and a pivot, so we're gonna use that skill right now. So let's start from the beginning one more time. So we go weight on the right, hop to the left, hop to the right. Gonna step out to the left, outside three turn, push back, and hockey glide. Get that weight really strong down into your knees, and then we're gonna slide out into a forward inside pivot. Remembering to put all that weight over on the toe pick. If your weight's back in this, you're gonna lose control, so get that weight over that toe pick. Once you've gone about 1.5 rotations, we're gonna check out nice and proper and take 2 forward stroking steps. Step, step. All right, let's review that first section one more time. All right, so we start with hop and step, hop and step. Left outside three turn, push back, step forward into a hockey glide, forward inside pivot, push out, nice check, left step, right step. From here, we are gonna step into a bunny hop. But if you're a little bit more advanced skater and you'd like more of a challenge, that jump could be a waltz jump, it could be a salchow, it could be an axel if you were able to do those. So instead of the bunny hop, where we go left, right, bunny hop, you could left, right, waltz jump, or you could left, right, salchow. So that jump is a great place where you can kind of customize this program to your skill level. After that jump, we're gonna go into a little bit of footwork. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I posted some 3-turn choreography, and we're gonna just paste that right in here. We're gonna use our inside 3 turns, so our right forward inside 3 turn, and then we're gonna do our left forward outside 3 turns. So we've landed our jump. We're just gonna step onto our right inside edge, 3 turn, toe, 3 turn, toe. This is where we put our tap toe jump, and then we do our consecutive outside 3 turns. Let's go over that footwork just one more time. So once again, from that pivot, we're taking 2 steps. You're gonna insert your jump. I'm gonna do a bunny jump hop for now. We're gonna step onto that right forward inside edge, 3 turn, toe, 3 turn, toe, push, and tap toe jump. And this is where we do our waltz 3 turns. All right, let's run it all the way through the footwork one time. Now I'm having you repeat the beginning over and over because when I'm teaching choreography, I'll often start with a little section, have the student learn that piece, and then we'll attach the next section and we'll run from the beginning to that next section a few times. Then we'll attach the next one and we'll run from the beginning through that. So we learn in little pieces. That way it's easier for you to manage learning instead of learning the whole thing all the way through. So when I repeat, just remember that's a chance for you to go back, practice that section again before you learn the next section of choreography. So, starting position, hop to the left tap, hop to the right tap, 3 turn and push, hockey glide, into our pivot, push back, 2 nice forward steps, push, push. We're gonna do our jump. For now, we're doing a bunny hop. We're gonna step onto that right forward inside edge, 3 turn, toe, 3 turn, toe, tap, toe, waltz 3s, 1, waltz 3, 2. Now from here, we're gonna go into our forward lunge. So we're gliding backwards from our 3 turn. We're just gonna step forward, take a couple of steps to straighten our line out, and we're gonna lunge back in the same direction we started. So we're going back towards the front of the ice. Now we're gonna do a mohawk and our backward crossovers, right over left. When you're doing choreography, you want to really try to use the whole ice. So I think of the ice as being divided into 3 sections based on those hockey lines. So the ice is thirds. You want to make sure you're using all 3 thirds. So when you're practicing this, try not to shove everything into one little section of the ice. Take your time, spread out, make things big so you can use the entire ice. The other thing is, we don't want to go around in a circle like a race car. So when you're practicing this, pay attention to the pattern because it'll look more interesting if you're winding around the ice. So we had our forward lunge, we have our back crossovers, now we have another jump. For now, we're going to do our ballet jump, but you could replace this ballet jump with a half flip or a whole flip or some other kind of toe jump. So let's go from that lunge. All right, so we have that lunge, nice straight line. Gonna get up to a mohawk and our right over left back crossovers. Now, as I said, we're going to do a jump. So for now, I'm gonna step forward on my left, do a right inside 3 turn, and ballet jump. I'm gonna do another mohawk to turn myself backwards, and now I get to show off my back crossovers left over right. We're almost done here, folks. We're gonna skate forward, get our balance, and do the most beautiful forward spiral you can do. That brings us about to the center ice and almost to the end of our program. So at this point, you're gonna go into your best spin. For some of you, that's gonna be a 2-foot spin. For some, it's gonna be a 1-foot spin. So from this spiral, you're simply gonna put your foot down, get into a really deep hockey glide, and pull into that spin. You push out, stop, and we're done. All right, so let's do that choreography all together. We have our starting position, hop to the left toe, hop to the right toe, left outside 3 turn, push back, hockey glide into a forward inside edge pivot, push out, take our 2 steps left, right, and bunny hop, or whatever jump you choose. Then we have our footwork, inside 3 turn, toe, inside 3 turn, toe, and tap toe, waltz 3s. Get your body lined up nice and straight. We have our lunge, up from the lunge, mohawk, right over left crossover, step out, ballet jump, mohawk, cross over the other side, step forward, hold that nice big spiral, and then we're going to go into our final spin. push out, and there's your finish.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that little piece of holiday-themed choreography. I am really looking forward to seeing all of your finished versions popping up on Instagram with that hashtag Coach Julia Christmas. So make sure you post it up there so we can all cheer each other on. Now, if you want just a little bit of fine-tuning, or you want me to help you customize that program to your skills, you can always sign up for a virtual skating lesson, and you can do that via a link down below as well. Now, as I said before, there is a chance that you could have your program featured in a compilation video coming out on my YouTube channel just before Christmas. And if you want to participate in that, you're going to need to submit to me your finished video through my email address, which is down in the description below. And you're going to want to send that to me by Friday, December 18th. All those details will be down below, so make sure you read that description. All right, if you enjoyed this, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.